Now we'll talk about the proc step options. Okay, proc step options are used inside the proc step. Okay, not in the data step. Okay, data step have how many options? Yes, 4 options. That are, what are those? Data set control options, variable control options, observation control options, and statement control options. Now here proc step options, we have 4 options in it. Okay, title, footnote, no OBS, double. Okay, we'll talk about it. So first one is title. So see here, title will be displayed top of the page. Okay, it will display top of the page. Okay, less than or equal to 32 bytes only. Okay, for title. Okay, maximum we can use 10 titles for one data set. For one record we will use on maximum 10 titles. Okay, not more than that, only 10 titles. Okay, and title is nothing but a global option. Okay, we can use single or double quotes in title. So look at this syntax. So proc print data is equals to dataset name. After that proc print we'll write title, and with single quotes or double quotes, anything is fine, whatever matter is there. I have given the example. So title 1 to title 10 we can write it out. Okay, but in clinical we can use up to maximum 2 titles. Okay, so yeah, so this one, and run semicolon. Clear? Okay, if you want to print 2 titles you need to write title 1, title 2. Okay, only single means it's okay, title, this one. So title, what is the purpose of title, they'll ask. So for that purpose what you'll say? Okay, you need to say, by using this option we can assign our own titles for our data set. Okay, it is a global option. Okay, it displays top of the page like that. Okay, next, so by default the title will be displayed on your output window. That is nothing but the SAS system. Okay, default title is a SAS system. Okay, and always it appears top of the page. Okay, after writing this I want the default. For that purpose I'll write the SAS system again. Clear? Default title. Okay, suppose if I don't want it, suppose if I don't want the title, then what I'll do? I'll write simply blank with single quotes, title, simple title with single quotes, semicolon. Okay, means to remove the titles of our data set. Suppress is nothing but the remove. Next we'll talk about the footnote. So footnote display bottom of the page. Okay, title display top of the page, but footnote displays bottom of the page, and maximum 10 footnotes. Okay, for title and footnote both are same. So footnote is global option, single or double quotes you can use it. Okay, so syntax you can see same. In the place of title I'm using footnote. Clear? Suppose if you want to print a title and footnote both, then you can write here title and the matter whatever, after that footnote. Footnote 1 to 10 you can print, maximum is 10. So the purpose of footnote is nothing but we can assign our own footnotes for our data set. Okay, so if you don't want the footnote, then you use single quotes with a blank, then it will remove the footnote from your output window. Okay, next is no OBS. No OBS is nothing but it suppresses the observation values. I'll let you know that about no OBS. Yeah, suppress observation values means it will remove the observations values. And proc print data is equals to dataset name. No OBS we will write here. Beside the dataset name we'll write semicolon and semicolon. So it will remove the OBS. Okay, observations. Now next is nothing but the double. It increases the line space. Okay, suppose I'm writing here something and I'm writing here, so I want a space between these two lines. So for that purpose we'll use double, okay, which is nothing but line space. So what it will do, it inserts a empty row or null row in each and every observation. It increases the line space. Okay, syntax is prop print data is equals to dataset name double semicolon run semicolon. Double you should use beside the dataset name in the proc step only, not in the data step. Okay, proc step options. How many proc step options I have explained you? Yes, title. Yes, next footnote. Next no OBS. Next double. These are the proc step options. Okay, practice 2 to 3 times, then only you can able to understand it. Okay, these are the proc step options. How many options? 4 options. Data step options, how many options? 4 options. That are data set control options, variable control options, observation control options, and statement control options. Clear? So first I'll write one data set. Data test. My data set name is test here. Okay, input ID, I'm giving age semicolon, cards semicolon, then okay, 3 observations I'll give. Okay, here. Okay, prop print data, equal to test semicolon run semicolon. Clear? So when I'll run this, okay, what it will show, you'll see here. Okay, after running, output is displaying in the results we can see in our output window. It is top, you can see here the SAS system. It's nothing but the default title. Okay, the SAS system is nothing but the default title. See, by using first option is what? Title, no? By using title, okay, by using title we can, okay, we can create our own titles. Okay, we can write our own titles by using the title option. Okay, it will display always top of the page. Okay, 32 bytes only. Okay, maximum we can print 10 titles. Okay, for one data set, okay, title is nothing but a global option. Okay, so how I'll do, where we will write title is nothing but proc step options, right? So after proc print data is equals to test, I'll write title. Okay, you're able to see here title. I'm giving in single quotations or double quotations, it's up to you. I'm giving patient data. Okay, patient data with, I should end with a semicolon. Okay, after running this, so you can see here the title is displaying at the top of the page, patient data. So I want one more title. For that purpose I'll use, I've explained, you know. Do you have any idea? Yes, this is title 1, so we will write the serial number here, serial number. Next, title 2, single quotations or double quotations, you can write it out. I am giving A, B, C. Okay, then so you can see here title 1 is displayed, title 2 is displayed. You can use up to 10 titles. Okay, maximum 10. Clear? For one data set. Suppose I'm writing one more data set here, data AD. Okay, So will it display the default title or this title? We will check. I have given only 2 observations here, right? Yes, it is displaying what? Default title it's not displaying, it's displaying whatever we have given title. It is working on it. Okay, once you give the, so because these title and footnote options are global options, okay, you should say title and footnote options are nothing but global options, because once we run the title and footnote, right, footnote is also same, right? So when you run, it will display for each and every data set. Clear? I'll give one more thing here. I'll give only title. Okay, titles so and so. Okay, then will it work or not? We will see what title it will display. Why this first and second title are replaced by this title? Clear? So because it is starting from here. Clear? Next we'll talk about footnote. So footnote also you can give here only. Clear? After the prop print data is equals to test, single quotes or double quotes, maximum we can use 10 footnotes. Okay, the end I'm writing here. Okay, so when I'll run this, it is displaying the end footnote here. Yes, this is my title 1, title 2, and this is my footnote. Clear? If you want one more footnote here, then we will use, what we will use, this is footnote 1 and footnote 2. I'm giving single quotations and contact me or anything you can give. Okay, so here will it display this second footnote also? Yes, the end, contact me, these are printing. Okay, so till footnote 10 you can print, maximum is 10 footnote. Okay, I am running this again. Okay, will it print footnote also? Yes or no? Yes. See, 2 observations only I have printed. My second data is having 2 variables and 2 observations, right? So it's printing here. Just a second. It's printing here 2 titles and 2 footnotes. But I don't want this title and footnote. Then what I'll do? Yes, this is an important question in interview, that how to suppress, how to remove the titles from our data set, how to remove the title and footnote from our data set. For that purpose, what we will use? Yes, any idea? Sorry, I'm giving title, single quotations with a space, semicolon. And for footnote, if you don't want, what you will say? Footnote, single quotations with a space or blank you can say. So by using title single quotation space and footnote single quotation with a space, we can remove the title and footnote from our data set. Clear? So when I'll run this, so where is the footnote? It's not there here, right? And yeah, you can see here no title is displayed, right? Title is not there here, but you want the default title. For that purpose you will write, what you'll write? Yes, I want default title. Then same, we need to write what is the default title. Do you remember the SAS system? Clear? The SAS system is my default title. Then I'll run this. So am I getting that? Yes, right? The SAS system is my default title. Whatever new data set you'll write and run here below, down, then it will display the title SAS system. Clear? So once you run this, afterwards, whatever you are creating new data sets, it will display by default. You don't need to write title for it. So you can see here in the output, it is displaying observations 1, 2. Okay, observations 1 and 2. I don't want, my client is asking me to remove observations to remove observations. What we will do here, no OBS, right? I have explained you in the theory, right? To remove the observation values, what we will use? No OBS. Where we will use? Beside this data set. Clear? Beside this data set, we will use no OBS. Because in data set only it's printing, no? Yes. So after I'm running this, you can see here, observations 1, 2 has gone. Okay, it went into the trash. Clear? So this is clear for you? Okay, any doubt in that? No OBS means? See, one more data set I'll write here. You have one more doubt. After writing new data set, it will print no OBS or not. Then by default, title and footnote is printed. So when I run this, so when I'm running this, it is printing observations. By default, it will not do because it's not a global option. OBS, no OBS is not a global option. So if you don't want for this new data set, then you should write again no OBS. It is not a global option to print always. Okay, so one more option is there, that is double. I have explained you, right? Double is used for what? No idea, because I have explained you the theory, right? Okay, see, you can see this output. You can clearly see these observations here. Yes, without any line space, it is displaying here. Clear? 1, 2, 3. Clearly you can see here without any line space. Okay, it is displaying. So to insert a line space, yes, to increase the line space in each and every observation, I'll use what? Double option. Double is also not a global option. Clear? So when n number, if you create n number of data set also, then you can use a double in the proc step. Okay, it is not a global option. So when I run this, you can see here the line space. Clear? Line space you can see. So I have shown you this actually. Yes, if I want to give a line space, this one also, what I'll do, where I'll give here double. Okay, after running this particular thing, see, you can see a line space here. Yes, this is the line space we'll get by using the double. To increase the line space, we'll use double option. I hope it's clear. If you are satisfied with my videos, please do subscribe and share.